Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Hello beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today we are going to be talking about hyaluronic acid and its benefits for the skin. Let me grab my notebook real quick. So I do have my notebook here, so if you guys see me looking down, I am looking at some notes that I quickly jotted down. This would be a quick video because hyaluronic acid is kind of straight to the point. Like, it doesn't need any long introduction or any long explanation. So what really quickly prompted me to do this video is because when I put up my my skincare for dirty 30s video, if you haven't seen that, I will leave it above in the bubble as well as down below. But with that video, I had one of my lovely subscribers comment, and she said how she's been using hyaluronic acid, and I totally forgot about hyaluronic acid because hyaluronic acid has a lot of great benefits for the skin. Like, most important ingredients when it comes to anti-aging, or products when it comes to anti-aging. So shout out to you, girl. I forgot your name. Where's my phone? Hold on. Let me look you up right now. This video is going to be so freestyle. Like, this is video I'm not going to even probably edit it. You know, I don't know. Lately, I just been feeling more freestyle with my videos. So we're not going to do, if we do editing, it's not going to be too much editing. All right, Marlene G, girl. So her comment was, I'm 44 at age 4. Her comment was, I'm age 45. At age 44, I started using hyaluronic acid underneath my moisturizer. I am extremely dry, and that was the only product that I could use. No retinols, or anything. It's truly amazing for fine lines, wrinkles that aren't quite permanent yet. Would recommend. There's some key things about hyaluronic acid too, that's why it works so well for you. And so thank you so much for that comment, because then it brought me to this topic, and I just kind of wanted to talk about that and just let you guys know the benefits of it and everything. So first of all, hyaluronic acid is something that our body naturally produces, okay? It helps to keep the skin moisturized. It helps to keep connective tissues of our joints lubricated. Also, it supports collagen in the skin to keep it firm and young looking. So hyaluronic acid is something that we already promote, or we already have in our bodies. But of course, as you get older, things start to deteriorate, I guess you can say, or you start to produce less of certain things like collagen and things of those sorts. Throwing hyaluronic acid into your regimen can have great benefits for the skin, and it can also just really support what's already there, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. So hyaluronic acid is a humectant that keeps skin plump and hydrated, and that's the reason why if you have really dry skin, hyaluronic acid is very good for you, because it's a humectant to draw in moisture and hold on to it, okay? So you want to make sure that if you have really dry skin, try using something that has hyaluronic acid in it. That will just help to draw that moisture to the skin and keep your skin nice and moisturized, okay? It's a great ingredient for anti-aging. It supports the collagen, and it's used in serums and moisturizers So yes, so like I said before, we naturally have hyaluronic acid in our bodies, and that already supports collagen production and skin moisture. So it only makes sense when using this that you're getting that same thing. And like Marlene said in her comment, that they support, or they're really good for wrinkles that aren't quite set yet. And that's very important, because if you catch wrinkles, I want to say prematurely, if you catch them prematurely or before they get too bad, with hyaluronic acid, that can have some great benefits towards the skin and keeping those wrinkles away, okay? So like I would say, start using hyaluronic in your 30s. Like 20s may be a little bit too early, because I mean, in your 20s, your skin is still plump, you're still young, you're still producing hyaluronic acid greatly. So I wouldn't probably consider using hyaluronic acid into my skincare regimen until like my 30s, which I'm 2 months away from. But at the same time, you can still use it whenever, because it still has that humectant, and it just keeps that skin looking good. So, but I feel like if you're an older woman, or if you're getting older in age and you're like, yo, I can see a little bit of something coming on my face, putting hyaluronic acid into your regimen can be very helpful. It comes in serums and moisturizers. You can find so many hyaluronic acid serums and moisturizers just about anywhere. Also too, I will look some up and I will just link them down below for you guys. You guys can go ahead and click those and check those out, because I'm going to be on the hunt for some really good ones for myself. So I'm going to actually just look up some that I find that I would try, and I'm going to link them down below. And if you guys have any suggestions on any hyaluronic acids to use, like Marlene girl, if you have, which one are you using? Tell us down below. Like, I want to know, like, what brand? Is it just straight hyaluronic acid, or is it some type of serum? Like, let us, girl, give us the deets, okay? Pretty much. Also, lastly, just to wrap this up, because it's really straight shot, it just really firms the skin, it tones the skin, and it just has no wrinkles. It just keeps away those wrinkles, keeping the skin moisturized. And that's the key thing when it comes to wrinkles: moisture. If your skin is dry the heck out, you're more prone to getting wrinkles, okay? So if your skin is more so moisturized and you're keeping it nice and just plumped of moisture, then you're not gonna have as many wrinkles, if none at all. All right, so with that being said, this video is pretty straight shot. That's hyaluronic acid for you. No craziness behind it. It's really point blank to the simple point, and it's a very crucial, I feel, product to have in your regimen. I don't care, well, I'm not gonna say I don't care about anything else, because I feel like your regimen is very important in your skincare. Like, don't just like not wash your face and throw hyaluronic acid serum on there. No, you need to still have a great regimen for your skincare. But I feel like throwing hyaluronic acid into your skincare, whether it's a serum or a moisturizer, is a great key way to keep that skin looking young. Okay, so with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. It's your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.